Hi there, Nancy Reeves here. Many of you know that I have a free major gift fundraising plan template that you can download for free by going to a link. Well, today I received a response to the question I ask when you go to that link. I always ask the question, when it comes to securing large gifts, what is your single greatest challenge or concern right now? So the response I received was from an executive director, and she was wanting to know, what is a donor looking for in a nonprofit they would want to donate to? I thought that was a great question. So in my course, in working with my students, I have 3 areas that we go over. And let me share 3 of those with you that are top of mind when I hear this question. For a donor, for someone to want to donate to your organization, the very first thing, the absolutely number one thing that has to be there is they have to be passionate about your cause. They have to be passionate about the work you do, about your mission. They may give because a friend asked them to give one time, and they may give again, but it's not going to be sustainable. If they're not deeply passionate about the cause, they're not going to continue to give or increase their giving. Second thing that needs to be present is the individual has to feel they're making a difference. They have to feel as if they're a part of the solution. It's something bigger than them. So they come together with other people to solve the problem or address the need. So they have to feel like they're making a difference. That's number 2. And the last thing to share is the individual has to feel valued and appreciated by the nonprofit. This is the area where nonprofits mess up the most. I know you feel like you're showing appreciation and gratitude. You send a letter immediately, you might make a phone call, you send a personal note, but then it kind of goes silent and there's not much engagement. And maybe the next time you make contact with the individual, you're asking them for money again. That does not make someone feel valued and appreciated. What makes them feel appreciated is engaging them, getting them involved in unique ways, getting to know them as an individual. Fundraising is about relationship building. So think about those 3 things as you're thinking about bringing in new donors. They have to be passionate about the cause. They have to feel they're making a difference, and they have to feel valued and appreciated. If you want my free download, go to fundraisingmaximize.com/yes and click the link below.